In ArcGIS Pro, when we need to bring any raster image from folders, we can just drag and drop it to ArcGIS and it imports our image. But sometimes in case of satellite image or UAV imagery with multiple bands, we need to import any specific band. In this lesson, we will see how to do that. For that, we can go to catalog and browse to location where the files are. Let's expand downloads folder, and here we can see that the image that we have already imported. If we remove this one and bring the same image from catalog, it also imports our image. Now if we go to catalog, and you will see one expand button here, click it. Now we can see the individual bands. Here we have 7 bands. If we need any individual band, suppose band 4, then just import only single band. And if we want to bring band 5, we can bring it. This way you can import any band that you want.